Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove school enterprise enrollment on a Chromebook. First, it's important to understand why your device might be managed by an organization. You can easily check its management status within the system settings. Before attempting any removal, always back up all your important personal data. This ensures you don't lose any valuable files during the process. Taking these initial steps will prepare you for a smooth. The next crucial step is to perform a power wash, which essentially factory resets your Chromebook. This action will delete all local data and user profiles, returning the device to its original state. You can access the power wash option directly through your Chromebook settings menu. Alternatively, if you encounter issues, you might initiate it via recovery mode. This process is fundamental for clearing any lingering organizational policies. Shopify's revenue model is built on recurring subscriptions from its vast merchant base, complemented by transaction fees and various merchant services like shipping and payments. Dignitas, on the other hand, primarily earns through lucrative sponsorship deals with major brands, prize money from winning tournaments, and direct sales of team merchandise to its global fan base, showcasing two very different financial approaches. After successfully reinstalling Chrome OS, the final steps involve setting up your Chromebook. Make sure to use a personal Google account, not an organizational one, during this setup. Once configured, navigate back to the device management status in your settings to confirm that the enrollment has been completely removed. You can then enjoy your unmanaged Chromebook with full personal control and freedom.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.